Hello, thank you for joining us on ERi-TV. This is English News Broadcast live from the headquarters in Asmara at 10:30 p.m. local time. Today is Sunday, 19th of November, 2023. Let's look at the top stars. Photo exhibition depicting Eritrean history. Workshop conducted on protecting food safety. More than 80 people killed in Israel's strike on Gaza refugee camp. West failed to cancel Russia, Vladimir Putin stated. A photo exhibition depicting the history of Eritrea and the journey for independence is being displayed in Sawa. The photo exhibition that was opened on 15th of November that will stay open till 21st November has been displayed at the Festival of Eritrea 2023 at the Expo compound. The exhibition that was officially opened by Colonel Debesay Gede, commander of the National Service Training Center in Sawa, is being visited by the students, teachers and staff members of the Warsai Kalo School in Sawa. The visitors expressed their admiration for the photo exhibition's content and said it accurately depicted the unity and integration of the Eritrean people and its defense force in achieving national independence, defending national sovereignty, and carrying out national development initiatives. They also called for displaying similar exhibitions inside the country and abroad so that nationals inside the country and abroad fully comprehend their past, present, and present history. Workshop on protecting food safety was conducted in Asmara on 16th and 17th of November. More than 100 farmers from all around the nation, dairy farmers and members from the Livestock and Crop Corporation and Eritrean Women Agro-Business Association attended the workshop that was arranged by the Ministry of Agriculture. The Director General of the Regulatory and Inspection Service, Mr. Taghla Abmiskinna, stated that it is the duty of all relevant institutions to ensure food safety, and he urged increased involvement in the endeavor, indicating that the workshop is a continuation of the ongoing public education campaign on the significance of food safety for both humans and animals. The workshop's coordinator, Mr. Tasfahewat Gabretinsae, stated that he anticipated a major contribution from the workshop in achieving the goal. The head of the livestock resource in the Gashbarka region, Mr. Saada Abraham, urged public to heed the counsel of agricultural experts and refrain from using dangerous pesticides. The participants, for their part, held lengthy discussions and adopted a number of recommendations, including lightening regulation on pesticides and cross-border packed foods. We are live on ERi-TV. Stay tuned for international news. An official from the Hamas-run Health Ministry said more than 80 people were killed yesterday in twin strike on northern Gaza's Jabalia refugee camp, including a UN school being used as shelter for people displaced by the Israeli-Hamas war. Al-Shifa Hospital in Gaza City, the largest in the enclave, receives data from every hospital in the strip. Hospital administrators say they keep records of every wounded person occupying a bed and every body arrived at the morgue. The ministry also collects from other sources, including the Palestinian Red Crescent. The health ministry does not report how Palestinians were killed, whether from Israel airstrike and artillery barrage or Iran's Palestinian rocket fire. It described all casualties as victims of Israel aggression. The ministry also does not distinguish between civilians and combatants. Throughout 4 wars and numerous skirmishes between Israel and Hamas, UN agencies have cited the Hamas-run health ministry's death toll in regular reports. Attempts by the West to cancel Russia with economic and cultural sanctions have failed, and we're always doomed to fail, President Vladimir Putin said on Friday. Speaking at the International Culture Forum in St. Petersburg, the Russian leader accused the collective West of seeking to cross out everything that does not fit into the falsified history. Entire layers of history, the art of Western Europe, Asia, Africa, Latin America are being silenced as if they never happened. And lately, they have been trying to cancel our culture in general. Putin declared, "I say trying because we understand that this is by definition impossible," the president added. But still they are trying to abolish culture which is based on true freedom, mercy, love of fellow man, and spirituality. The policy of cancelling Russia is by itself inherently anti-cultural, neo-colonial, and racist. In reality, Putin argued, the attempt to cancel Russia's culture and destroy its economy with so-called sanctions did not work out as its author intended. According to Putin, some of the principal reasons for the current tension in the world are the claims of certain forces to exclusively, including cultural exclusivity with disdain for other customs, spiritual values, and desire to subject everyone and everything to unification and according to their own templates which they consider the best and the most. Now we have a quick review of the top stories. Photo exhibition depicting Eritrean history. Workshop conducted on protecting food safety. More than 80 people killed in Israeli strike on Gaza refugee camp. West failed to cancel Russia, Putin stated. That was all with the news for this evening. Thank you for being with us. Have a good night.